Hello guys, I'm Rahul Kaushik guys and I welcome you all on Unacademy JEE English. So first of all guys, I wish you a very happy Diwali guys, and I this is my suggestion guys. Now for next 2 days or 3 days, enjoy to the hilt guys. Yes, you can use firecrackers or anything, but guys, today I'm here with a special session, and the purpose of this special session is guys that the warnings that during this period corona might spread. So guys, as a teacher I'm here with you so that I can tell you some points, because along with enjoyment I don't want to spoil your enjoyments, but I want to tell you something about precautions, how sanitization work and what kind of precautions you should make, because in festival season everybody on the news, in the newspaper, everywhere guys you will find like uh, you will find the warnings like corona might increase during next 4 to 5 days due to the festival season. So guys, today I will discuss how sanitizer work and how should you use sanitization, and how actually nowadays you will find everyone is having sanitizer in his or her pocket. And Amitabh Bachchan is already telling you so many times, whenever you call Amitabh Bachchan is there and he will let you know what should you do, how should you take precaution. But still I'm telling you something guys. So before we start today's session guys, let me tell you something about myself. So guys, I'm Rahul Kaushik. I worked in Bansa classes quota for continuous 10 years, guys. During my tenure, I was head of department there and I mentored 2000 plus IITs, guys. I mentored 2000 plus IITs, and after that, guys, I co founded my own organization, that is Zigyan Education Private Limited. And now, along with Zigyan, guys, I'm here on Unacademy, India's largest and fastest growing online platform. So, this is my brief introduction. And now I will tell you guys how you can subscribe to an Academy's Plus program. So just go to Play Store or App Store and download an Academy's learning app. Once you have downloaded it, install it guys. Hit the install button. After hitting the install button guys, you will be directed to this page. On this page you have to click on the plus. So once you are clicking on the plus guys, then again you will be directed to this page and choose your goal. Suppose you are preparing for IIT JEE, then choose IIT JEE as your goal. And after that, guys, hit the subscription button. Once you are hitting the subscription button, Once you are hitting the subscription button, you will be directed to this page. On this page, guys, you have to choose a program either for 12 months or for 24 months. And now remember this code. If you are applying this code, then you will be getting benefit. And what are those benefits? Let me tell you. For 1 year, you have to pay 38,000. For 2 years, you have to pay 56,000. Okay, guys, but don't worry. If you are applying my code, that is Rahul Camp, then instead of 38,000, you just have to pay 34,000, and instead of 56,000, you just have to pay 50,000. So this is the fee structure, guys. And remember this code, guys. Remember this code. If you are applying it, then you will be getting this discount. So guys, this is again my introduction. I'm Rahul Kaushik, ex-head of Department Bansa classes, and today I'm here with you on a special session, how sanitization work or how sanitizers work. Or guys, what is the chemistry? What is the chemistry behind sanitizer? Okay, guys. So always you should have a sanitizer with you whenever you are moving out. My previous session was based on the mask. So mask and sanitizer. Don't step out of your home without these two things. And if you are moving away, then remember these points, how sanitizer work, because just having sanitizer is not sufficient. So you must know how sanitizer works. So guys, my point is, what is hand sanitizer? So you might have heard about there are two kind of sanitizers. One are alcohol based and another are non-alcohol based, because there are many people who avoid alcohol based sanitizers, right? So what are alcohol based sanitizers? Any guesses? So obviously alcohol based sanitizer will have alcohol. So here you can see guys, one carbon, two carbon, so it is ethanol. One carbon, two carbon, three carbon. This is propanol, guys. And then we have isopropanol, right? So in organic chemistry, yes, you are familiar with this kind of nomenclature. So guys, this alcohol-based sanitizer contain 60 to 90% alcohol. Okay, and most contain either ethanol, n-propanol, or isopropanol, or a combination of these. So guys, every time now, next time whenever you are going to purchase it, just check it whether it is alcohol based or not. And if it is alcohol based, so even you might have seen in government ads, it should be more than 70% alcohol. So normally they contain 60 to 95% alcohol. So guys, always keep these points in your mind. Always keep. Now let's move. What are non-alcohol based? What are non-alcohol based? So guys, today we are discussing about the chemistry of sanitizers. Chemistry of sanitizers, guys. So I personally think every one of you is using the sanitizer, but you don't know so many things about the sanitizer, right? So I will be discussing it. So guys, non-alcohol based. So chlorohexidine and benzalkonium chloride are also found in some sanitizers. Both are used in non-alcohol. So guys, these are the compounds. Yes, benzalkonium chloride, and then guys we have glycerin, right? Other ingredient include glycerol, which act as a moisturizer to stop your skin drying out. You might have seen many sanitizers, after using them your skin just dry up, right? So if you want to avoid that, or to want to avoid that, glycerin is added, so it will keep moisture there on the hands. So hydrogen peroxide is added. Why H2O2 is added? It is added to prevent the bacterial contamination of the hand sanitizer. So guys, you might have seen that H2O2 is a very good oxidizing agent, right? And on keeping it decompose into water and O2 gas, right? It decomposes into water and what? Water and oxygen gas. So guys, we have glycerol that maintain the moisture. Then we have hydrogen peroxide that is added to prevent the bacterial contamination in the hand sanitizer. Right? So H2O2 to keep it safe, guys. Right? The main function of H2O2 now you understand, guys. How do hand sanitizer work? So first of all, you have to understand about the virus. I'm not talking about the coronavirus, just basic. My biology was not that good, but still I can talk about some basics. So guys, if I'm talking about the viruses, so it has mainly three components. First one is its envelope, the outer. Second one is guys the viral genome that is present here. So it is enveloped by this, as you can see here. Yes. And then guys, this is envelope protein. So these are the three component of any virus. For bacteria, guys, if we talk about the bacteria, here we have again bacteria DNA at the center, and then we have the cell walls, and over the cell walls, if you can observe, guys, the light yellow, this is called capsule. So what sanitizer is going to do, guys? What sanitizer is going to do? Either we have virus is different from bacteria. Okay, guys, virus is different from the bacteria. So now let's discuss. So alcohol, the role of alcohol. Alcohol in hand sanitizer, guys. Hand sanitizers alter or denature the structure of proteins. So I just told you that here we have the protein. So your alcohol, let me change the color. Yes. So alcohol will attack the outermost covering, and that is the protein, guys. That is the protein. And you might have heard in biomolecules denaturation of protein. So when you boil or you increase the temperature, then the protein get denatured. So you might have seen the globular protein become straight line one. So guys, that alcohol is going to attack on the outermost envelope, that is called protein, right? So alcohol in hand sanitizer alters the structure of protein, guys. They destroy the cell wall and membrane of bacteria cell and the envelope of viruses, including coronavirus. Okay, you guys were waiting for this. So they are less effective against non-enveloped virus. So actually, why these sanitizers are formed here? Actually, they are effective. They are effective when they are enveloped for those virus which are enveloped by protein or anything else. Okay, guys, they are not effective for unenveloped virus. So non-alcohol based sanitizer also kills the bacteria but are less effective against the virus. So non-alcohol based sanitizer you can use to kill them bacteria, and alcohol based sanitizers, guys, you can use them to kill the virus. And guys, again, just look at these two things. Virus and bacteria are separate. I think bio students already know about it, but engineers don't know about it. So guys, for you, important information, guys. So virus is different from the bacteria. Okay, guys. So now everything is clear, guys. So how effective are they? How effective? So we are using the sanitizer day and night. Are they really effective? Yes, any guess? So guys, yes, the study is before you guys. Minimum of 60% alcohol should be there. To be on safer side, our government says it should be 70% or more, right? Actually, in India, we have adulteration so much. So if they will say that 70, then it will be found around 50%, right? So hand sanitizer with 60% alcohol are effective if applied generously. However, they don't kill all the virus type and are less effective on dirty or greasy hands. So guys, what you have to keep in mind, don't be a miser while using the sanitizer. Yes, apply them generously. Just use them properly and rub them. Still, they are not effective to kill all the virus, but yes, corona can be killed. So right now, there is no virus bigger than the corona. So guys, use them generously and keep your hands clean. At least keep them away from the grease or the dirt, right? In that case, their efficiency will be reduced. So guys, next time, whenever you are going to purchase a sanitizer, just look at the outer covering and see whether it is alcohol based or non-alcohol. So just check it, alcohol based are good, and the percentage of alcohol, try to have it 60% or more. Okay guys, so this is all about sanitizer, how they work, what is the chemistry behind them, guys. So we have a pic here, coronavirus, and this is sanitizer, guys. So how does it work? First of all, it kills the protein, it denatured the protein, then it destroyed the wall, and then inside this the DNA. Okay, guys. Next, why do we wash the hand for 20 seconds? So, guys, why we at least 20 seconds? It is not like only up to 20 seconds. It should be at least. Okay. So hand washing with for 20 seconds washes away the bacteria and the viruses and also removes the dirt, guys, and grease. So if there is dirt or grease and you are washing your hand for 20 seconds or more than that, then that will be washed. So antibacterial soaps are no more effective, right? Why? Okay, got it. So guys, this is all how sanitizer work and what is the chemistry behind sanitizer. Okay guys. Now again, if you really like this session, guys, please share it and like it about the sanitizer because it's Diwali time. So whenever you are stepping out of your house, always take care of your health and enjoy your Diwali. I'm again saying, guys, and use sanitizer and mask. So my two sessions are based on sanitizer and mask, and use a proper sanitizer and proper mask. Now I have told you what kind of mask you should wear, what kind of sanitizer you should use. Okay guys, stay safe, stay healthy, and then only then you can enjoy the festival of Diwali. It's a festival of firecrackers, it's a festival of diyas. And guys, now again I will tell you the simple steps how you can subscribe to Unacademy. Step number one, just go to Play Store or App Store, download Unacademy's learning app. Once you have downloaded it, install it, and after installing it, guys, after installing it, yes, choose your goals. If you are preparing for IIT JEE, then choose your goal as IIT JEE. After that, guys, hit the subscription button. So believe me, guys, believe me, in just 50,000 for 2 years, you are not going to get anything cheaper than this, right? The cost is least, guys, right? So it is the what should I say, in the market, if you go for the offline course, you have to pay 2 lakh, 2.5 lakh, and then stay and lodging and all those things. But in this case, guys, you just have to pay 34,000 for 1 year or 50,000 for 2 years. But if and only if you are applying my code, that is Rahul Camp. So guys, for 1 year you have to pay 38,000. But if you are applying this code only, then you have to pay this. So guys, remember this code Rahul Camp, and for 2 years it is 56,000. And if you are applying my code, then you just have to pay 50,000. So this is the fee structure, guys. And once you have subscribed to Unacademy, what you are going to get? Your course would be structured. What do you mean by structured? So guys, every fourth session will be doubt clearing session. Let me write it here. Every fourth session will be doubt clearing session. After the class, you will be getting modules. You will be getting DPPs. And then guys, you will be having live quizzes. Right? Not just live quizzes. Not just live quizzes. After completion of every topic, you will have a mega quiz. Right? And most important, guys, whenever you are preparing for any competitive examination, you have to develop your paper temperament. And for that, guys, you have to opt for some test series. And if you want to opt for test series, guys, yes, you will have access to Unacademy's iconic test series. Yes, test series, guys. And the test series in which lakhs of students are participating, and nowadays common, like every alternate Sunday we are taking a fortnightly gaming combat, Unacademy combat, guys. You can also participate on that, and the questions are of higher level than the advanced pattern. Now the last point, guys, once you have subscribed to Unacademy, guys, you will have access to not just my video lecture and content, but the video lecture and content of all the educators. So this is all, guys. And again, I wish you a very happy Diwali, guys. Celebrate it to the hell. Enjoy 2 to 3 days, and then again we will be back. Okay, guys. So this is the fee structure for 12 months. This is the fee structure for 24 months. Okay, guys. So take care of you. Thank you. Bye bye, guys.